para head kurigena eastern area de eastern jaga de frontier naga territory demand kuria amikhan itu jani ase aro itu laga opor de ENBO leaders khan bra lead kurigena amikhan laga central leaders khan ge itu laga opor de kuthan bi kurigena ahishi meeting khan bi lugina ahishi amikhan itu sob jani ase hulibi itu laga opor de positive response na dia nimide ajlaga tin de eastern nagaland de sob districts aro ADC headquarters khande takan ekta public rally luise aro itu laga rally du ami khan laga union home minister Amit Shah taibra tai khan ge itu memorandum of settlement laga final draft na dia opor de tai khan laga resentment express kura laga thakise aro ajlaga rally luigena nijor laga jaga de TC office aro ADC office de takhan ekta memorandum bi submit kurise ona itu ami janai dise amikan itu laga opor de amikan ENBO president Chabikyu sangdam talo dibi kotha kurigina ase aro tai gusi gi ajraga rally du bishi successful huisi aro public khan bi bishi ahi gena tangor support dise ona itu bi janai dise tai itu bi guise ki itu memorandum dia bichide jodi positive response pana igule du next course of action bi tai khan public khan logo de noile bi tai khan kotha miligena itu action lobole koigena ase ai bi ami khan itu laga rally aro ami khan ENBO president ge kotha kura ami khan honi lobo
আজি laga rally du kinga jase kaise in general
pal do se all over the eastern area na
ha
adan da zote tagise sob eto public to the support by se
acha aro ini just a reminder kind of thing idu Amit Shah ge itu frontier Nagaland demand la du ki laga salor ki laga mande kura laga se na
itu amakala laga demand no hai to actually do
acha
kido ta compare arrangement ko temporarily to Europe arrangement ko gene itu SMT to arrange ko dibo ina ko se anta ita tak itu mitles na kure itu karne itu amakan hala kura se to
acha
aro abi general election de itu khatam korbo goise para nai it abi within no time it general election ai bola se parliament
hoy
so it be effect hoje na maka do bishi delay korde ase itu karne just knocking on his door joldi to delay na kori
acha
mo isto
acha
itu kotai ase itu tak to
aro আজি laga rally de memorandum bi submit kuris na
submit kurise
TC lo de
TC lo de ADC headquarter
acha
aro submit kurise
de memorandum de ki likhina thakise na ki laga demand thakise
apnakan tikin thakibo kintu lebe joldi kori kene election code of conduct eto enforce na kura kore eto signing date to eto declare kori dibe
acha
aro late hoise eto itinga kore eto hona kole mane election code of conduct ai jaise kole mane we never know what kind of decision will take
right
to CC laga decision cha jabo the public no
okay
so before doing that before coming into that kind of a situation joldi kori kene eto signing date to eto declare kori dibe koi na
acha
it is not much because everything is done so it had to be argument grow na
aro jodi itu aro positive response nagile do ENBO laga side pa bi next step to ki hobo na like as in aji really launch na
that will decide next
okay
ami kane to chuti hona apply kol mane ita to ultimatum to sai fu na
hoy
relation code of conduct na puja ko to signing to TV itu ase
acha
so itu gorgene itu no gorgene to election code of conduct to enforce hoje kol mane then of course the public tara in logo that's a later part
okay
it was
okay thank you so much sir for your time